Welcome to the Simmons Quick Reports tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what Simmons can do through its Quick Reports feature. Simmons is a useful tool that provides access to relevant consumer data through the yearly surveys they conduct. One way this data can be used is to find information about your target consumers to better advertise to them. There are a few different ways to access Simmons. The easiest way is to go to the BYU Library homepage at lib.byu.edu. From there, you can access Simmons by clicking on Databases and searching for Simmons. You can also access the database through the Advertising, Marketing, or Public Relations research guides. For example, I can navigate to research guides on the library homepage, then click on Advertising, then find Simmons. Simmons has two different modes: Crosstab and Quick Reports. Simmons automatically opens in Crosstab mode. Crosstabs allow you to view specific data on target groups in table form. The Quick Reports feature displays demographic, segmentation, and geographic data in chart form. In order to switch modes, you can hover over Essentials in the top left corner and select Quick Reports. Let's go through an example of what Quick Reports allows you to do by looking at information on members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints who use Instagram. The first thing we need to do is select a study to pull the data from. Simmons provides data from many relevant and recent surveys. Each survey highlights a specific area of the whole population. The default will always be the most recent nationwide adult survey. We will use the Salt Lake Spring 2018 study for our example. Choose this survey by going to the Survey dropdown, searching Salt Lake, and selecting the Spring 2018 survey. Now we need to choose a base and a target. The base narrows down the initial population we are drawing target data from, and the target represents who we are interested in. We will select our base to be members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints by typing religious preference into the search bar and selecting it. To make it our base, we will click the Base button to the right of the search bar. Our target will be people who use Instagram frequently. We will type Instagram into the search bar and choose Instagram.com, 16 or more, because it represents people who have used Instagram 16 times or more in the last 30 days, which would be considered as frequent use. Select it, then set it as the target by clicking the Target button. Now that we have defined our base and target, we are ready to view the Quick Report. To view demographics, select Demographic Profile and then click the Run Analysis arrow button in the top right corner. In this report, we can see the demographics of members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints who frequently use Instagram. You can see general statistics on the left and other useful and more specific information through the charts. Next, let's look at the Segmentation Quick Report. Click the Back to Dashboard button, then select Segmentation and click the Run Analysis arrow. The pie chart that is displayed shows the food lifestyle of members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints who frequently use Instagram. You can also display a wide variety of consumer information such as shopping habits or technology adoption by clicking the drop-down menu in the center and selecting another report. Lastly, you can export data from Simmons into Excel by choosing the Export menu in the top left-hand corner. The exported data includes the charts seen in Simmons and some underlying data. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Simmons Quick Reports. For even more powerful and flexible ways to use Simmons, take a look at our Simmons Crosstab tutorial. For additional information, you can contact the Business or Communications librarians or the reference assistants at the Social Sciences Help Desk on Level 1 of the BYU Library. To contact the librarian, navigate to the Advertising, Marketing, or Public Relations research guide to set up an appointment.